Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to lock a Docusign envelope. Alright, so the first thing you want to do to lock your envelope is to head over to your Google Chrome and then try to log in to Docusign. If you do not already have an account, please click on the first link as you can see displayed on your screen, and it will take you through the process of signing in. Ensure that you have your email address, phone number, and other information that you would need to sign in an account ready. And when you do that, it will take you straight up to logging in. So I have automatically logged in, and this is my DocuSign dashboard. All right, signing or locking a DocuSign envelope means preventing recipients from making changes after the signing process has been complete in DocuSign. This action is done by voiding, correcting, or completing the envelope, which effectively locks it up in. All right, the next thing you want to do is click on the Start button to show you the brief process of locking your DocuSign envelope. So what you want to do is upload the particular document you want to work on. As you can see, I have a variety of options from where I can pick my documents from. I'll just pick this from my desktop over here. Pick this particular document I want to work with. Give it a few minutes to upload, and as you can see, my document is ready for signage or locking. In this video, I want to show us how to lock our DocuSign envelope. So what we will do is ensure that we add other signatories to this particular document, signatories or recipients, whichever one you want to call them. If I'm clicking on this field, I'm the only signature, I'm the only signer. I would not need other recipients, but if I unclick on it, I have the options to add up my recipients. So let me, for instance, add up this person. All right, and then I can click on add recipient, add up another recipient. All right, and then I would have two recipients. I can head over to this need to sign and then edit this field to customize it to how I want it to be. After doing that, I will have to click on this set signing order. All right, so I'll click on view, and then as you can see, all the recipients in this account have signed up, and the document is closed and completed. So the document is completed. The signing order cannot be altered after doing this one. I'll just click on close over here, and as you can see in this simple and brief steps, you can see that this document has been locked, so it cannot be altered or opened by anybody unless I decide to alter my settings. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these few steps were clear for you to learn how to lock your DocuSign envelope. Until the next video, bye for now.